Hey guys, so you're back with me. So here's a video of me unboxing parcels in different days within a semester. So here I bought some stationaries and organizers. I bought 3 different color of pencil case. So it's with black, second gray, and the third one is white. Here's me checking if the zips are working. Next, I bought 2 pen organizers. Me struggling using scissors. And kinda just end up using my hand though. It has 4 compartments each. Yes, some stickers for my planner and wall decor. Also cute sticky notes. This one is for my books, like, you know how you separates the topics kind of stuff. This one as well, with just different kind of color grading. Next, I bought some washi tape. I'm so in love with washi tape. I got a box of my washi tape collection. So this one day I dive into carousel and I found some piece of baju kurung. This one piece of baju kurung that I kind of like. So it was 20 ringgit, so I couldn't help myself and buy it. So she kind of wrapped it with this pink plastic that you get in Kedai Runcit. And then some days after that, this parcel dropped in. Look, I'm wearing the baju that I recently bought. Here I bought some Archie stuff, which I needed to restock them. For example, like my drawing blocks, my pens, my rulers, and some kind of other stuff. So on the same day, this parcel dropped in as well. So I actually really like this specific thing that I bought. It is actually like a small railing that you can put somewhere in between like spaces. So I bought this to hang my tudung, and it is very useful. You guys can see on this TikTok that I made. It's just really useful. This next time that I received this parcel, like, I actually bought a jubah from Carousel as well. So I kind of unboxed it dekat admin building, which is like the place that I need to take the parcel because I couldn't wait. So the jubah was quite big. And then the next item was also arrived on the same day. It's I bought a baju kurung from Carousel as well, and it was big also, but I altered it, so it was fine. Guys, so today I bought pillow because I only had one pillow, so I bought a pillow. And like, because they have a sale, one pillow was like 7 or 8 ringgit, so I was like, I had to get them. And then I got some Pillowcase also, so soon ASMR. I bought 2 ke? I only bought 1. But then I think this is like the wrong size. I literally bought 1. I guess. Wait. Or is it like 1? One posting is actually 2. well, an update, I actually bought two and it is the small size.
Pillowcase. Knee size. Ooh, the material is so nice. I don't remember the harga. I like it. The material is so nice. Single because I'm single. Just kidding. The color is so nice. I'm gonna buy again from the shop though. I'm gonna install it now.
And then the next thing, I bought henna. I bought 3 types of henna. The first one is henna rambut, inai rambut hair henna, and then I bought inai kuku. Ni yang dah siap, and then the other one is inai kuku yang banco. Reached to the end of my semester, and this was the kind of last unboxing day that I did. So this here, I was unboxing tripods. I bought 3 tripods, 2 of the same kind and the other one is different kind. So this is like the octopus tripod. I bought 2 of them, and then this one I'm not sure dipanggil apa, but it looks disgusting. I don't know, I think it looks disgusting, but then it's quite useful though. You can bend it and then like look, yeah, it's really useful, I think. And then the next one is I bought Beauty Ra lip pillow. It's really nice. I really love it. So now you guys have reached at the end of this video, and I'm really sorry if at the end of the video I kind of stop making subtitles, because I really want to get done with this video, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And so yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next video, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.